Sukhija Accounts Teachings by Ramesh Kumar. Joint venture. Today we are going to discuss the methods of joint venture. First method is when one co-adventurer maintains the books of accounts. The journal entry in the books of that co-adventure would be on receiving contributions from other co-adventurers, bank account debit to B to C. Suppose A is maintaining the books of accounts. Then A will receive contributions from B and C. Since his own contribution he is with him, so therefore he will receive from other co-adventurers, being contribution received from other co-adventurers. On making purchases, when A will make purchases, joint venture account debit to bank. Goods bought from joint venture. Now third, whatever expenses incurred, expenses paid, joint venture account debit to bank, being expenses paid. Fourth, on receiving any salary or commission by working co-adventurer, joint venture account debit to salary or commission, being salary or commission payable. If B or C receive any interest on their investment, joint venture account debit to interest payable. Interest payable to B and C. Now on sale of goods, bank account debit to joint ventures for goods sold. Now that is he has sold the goods. If there is any profit, profit on joint venture account debit to P&L for his own share to B to C. If there is any loss, it would be reverse entry P&L account debit, B debit, C debit to joint venture. Finally, he will settle the accounts of B and C. So B debit, B account debit, C account debit to bank for accounts of co-adventurers settled. Now in the books of A, we will prepare joint venture account. In joint venture, to bank purchases, to bank expenses. If he himself is getting salary or commission, to salary or commission. If B or C are getting an interest, to B or to C. Then for his own share, to profit and loss, to B to C. And on the credit side, buy bank sale. Now B's account, buy bank, whatever he has capital he has contributed. By interest, if he is getting interest. By joint venture, that is whatever his share of profit is. To bank settlement, the full amount will be paid back to him. C's account, by bank, whatever capital he has contributed. By interest, if he gets any interest on his investment. By joint venture, whatever share of profit he is getting, the total will be paid to him to bank settlement. Then he will prepare bank account. On the debit side, whatever he has received from B and C to B to C. To joint venture, whatever amount he has received through sales. By joint venture, whatever he has bought. By joint venture, whatever expenses he has incurred. Then by B's account, by C's account. Final settlement. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Tell your other friends also to see the video on joint venture. Thank you very much.